guys, welcome to our channel TDD the Duo Diaries। इस वीडियो में आप देखने वाले हैं द वाटरफ्रंट रिजॉर्ट जो मुल्शी में है। It takes somewhere between 3 to 3.5 hours to reach Mulshi from Mumbai, and it will be helpful if you download an offline map because there's weak signal in patches on the route. लोनावला से एम्बी वैली तक का रोड जो है वो काफ़ी स्मूथ और अच्छा है, बट एम्बी वैली से डाइवर्जन लेने के बाद रोड थोड़ा सा पैची और बम्पी है वाटरफ्रंट रिसोर्ट तक पहुंचने के लिए। So finally we have reached the waterfront resort. This place is surrounded by lush green mountains and there's a beautiful lake. यहाँ पर स्टे के लिए 3 ऑप्शंस हैं: 3 बेड विला, वुडन कॉटेजेस एंड स्टोन कॉटेजेस। So let's see the villa now. All the rooms of the resort have a scenic view of a beautiful lake, and since this resort is situated in a village, don't expect luxury. However, the rooms are neat and clean. There are no restaurants around. The only option to eat is from the in-house kitchen, and they prepare homely food as per your preference. You can take a dip in the clean lake after a short trek. Our stay in Waterfront Resort was very refreshing and rejuvenating, and we highly recommend you all to visit this place at least once to feel the charm of the nature. guys, if you enjoyed our video, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. We will meet in the next video. Bye everyone. Take care.